first we'll understand what is additive inverse. So additive inverse of a number. So suppose for example I want what is the additive inverse of a positive number 2. So it is nothing but when I add some number to this, it should yield me 0. So what is the number? What number when I add will give me 0? It is nothing but minus 2. The same way, if I take example as minus 3, if I add certain number, it should yield me 0. So it is nothing but plus 3 will yield me 0. So additive inverse is of a number is a number that when added it yields 0. So for real numbers you can say the opposite to a positive number is negative and opposite to a negative number is positive. So inverse of 2, additive inverse of 2 is minus 2 and additive inverse of minus 3 is plus 3. Now let us move on to the exercise. So we have to write the additive inverse of first one minus 3 by 8, which is minus 3 by 8 is plus 3 by 8. Second one, what is the additive inverse of 4 by minus 9, which is nothing but 4 by 9 minus 9 is nothing but minus 4 by 9, which is 4 by 9. Third one, what is the additive inverse of minus 7 by 5 is plus 7 by 5. Fourth one, additive inverse of minus 4 by minus 13. So minus divided by minus, I'll get it as plus. This is plus 4 by 13. So my additive inverse would be minus 4 by 13. That's the answer. Fifth one, what is the additive inverse of 0? Additive inverse of 0 is nothing but 0 itself. What is the additive inverse of minus 2? Is plus 2. Yeah, the next one, what is the additive inverse of plus 1, which is equal to minus 1? So the next one is, what is the additive inverse of 1, which is 7th one. Additive inverse of 1 is, additive inverse of 1 is minus 1. Next, 8th one, what is the additive inverse of 1 minus 1 by 3 is plus 1 by 3. Now, last one, what is the additive inverse of minus 3 by 1, which is equal to plus 3 by 1. Let us move on to the question number 7. So additive inverse of minus 5 divided by minus 12, which is nothing but minus 5 by minus 12 is 5 by plus 5 by 12. So what is the additive inverse of plus 5 by 12? It is minus 5 by 12. Next one, minus 5 by minus 12 plus its additive inverse. So minus 5 by minus 12 is nothing but 5 by 12 plus its additive. What is the additive inverse of 5 by 12? It is minus 5 by 12. What will we get? Plus 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12, which is equal to 0. Next, if A by B is the additive inverse of minus C by D, then minus C by D is additive inverse of A by B. Because A by B is the additive inverse of minus C by D, then plus of minus C by D plus A by B will give us what? So we have to state, 8th question is state whether it is true or false. So the first question is 7 by 9 is equal to 7 plus 5 divided by 9 plus 5. So the LHS is 7 by 9 wherein our RHS is not the same, therefore it is false. Again, 7 by 9 is equal to 7 minus 5 divided by 9 minus 5. Our LHS is 7 by 9 wherein our RHS is 7 minus 5, which is 2 divided by 4, which is again false. And 7 by 9 is equal to 7 by 9 into 5. This is true because you can just cancel this numerator and denominator, you will get the same, which is 7 by 9 is equal to 7 by 9, therefore it is true. Again, with the division, you will get back the same number in the RHS, therefore it is true. So the next one is minus 5 by minus 12 is a negative rational number, which is false because minus divided by minus will get plus. So 5 by 12 is a positive rational number, therefore it is false. Next one, minus 13 by 25 is smaller than minus 25 by 13. So let us plot this on a number line. We have 0 and these are negative, half, 1, 1 and a half, 2. So minus 13 by 25 is nothing but 0.52, which we'll plot it here somewhere here, and minus 25 by 13 is 1.92, so this is 1.5, so 1.92 is somewhere here. Therefore the statement, as per the statement, minus 13 by 25 is greater than minus 25 by 13, therefore the statement is false again. Please leave your feedback in the comment section. Kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for new video notification. Thank you.